Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know you're seeing in a different setup, but it's because I'm sitting on a floor, and I'm sitting on a floor because I wanted to do a DIY kind of video. I'm looking like somebody who just got up from their bed and started filming a YouTube video. Well, I wouldn't say you're completely wrong. So yes, so today I'm here to give a makeover to my table, my side table, and set it up because it's been a while. I think I'm happy bought it years ago from Amazon, and it was now old, so I thought of giving it a makeover. And I have been loving bohemian themes, bohemian decor, so I just wanted to give it a bohemian kind of makeover. So first I'll show you the clip of how the table looked like, and then we'll start. So as you can see, थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया है, काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इस टेबल को. सो अभी आई स्टार्टेड विद येलो पेन. पहले मुझे एक लगा ब्राइट कलर करती हूँ, बट देन आफ्टर अ वाइल आई थॉट कुछ फर्नीचर टाइप का दिखना चाहिए, सो आई कोटेड इट विथ लाइट ब्राउन. और मतलब मुझे ये ज़्यादा बेटर लग रहा था आफ्टर कोटिंग. सो कोटिंग करने के बाद मैंने इसको ड्राई होने को छोड़ दिया. नाउ एज यू कैन सी इट इज पेंटेड एंड इट हैज़ ड्राइड. So now I'll do a bohemian theme on this. I'll just create random pattern. So just wait and watch. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and just drop in your thoughts how you liked it, and if there are any other things that you want me to try, so I'll do that. And just let me know in the comment section below how did you find the DIY. And also just subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.